Hey guys, this is Buzz. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to sync your carbs using a homemade carb synchronizer tool that I made myself. So you want to hang around and watch this. Welcome back guys, this is Buzz. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're back again, then welcome back, and you're about to get buzzed with the fuzz. And we're about to carb sync this vstar, or synchronize the carbs on this vstar, and I'm going to show you how using my own little tool that I made on my last video. I'll put the link up here of that last video that I made so you can check that out as well. And please do subscribe, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, good or bad. Happy to hear all your comments and read them. So yeah, here we go. To start with, right in here, this hose that comes from your carburetor manifold, and this one here, you need to remove them and take them off. Don't forget, this is all got to be done while your engine is hot. If your engine ain't hot, or running temperature, not super hot, but running temperature, it won't work. So first you need to get your engine warm, and then take off this clamp, this hose, and this little hose here. We're going to remove, you need to remove this hose and that hose right there. Them two hoses are got to come off, yeah, and then you're ready to go. There you go, the first hose is off, and now we get to the second hose. There you go, that's the other stop. They're the two inlet from the carburetor manifolds right there. This is to the rear cylinder, or rear carburetor, sorry, and this is to the front carburetor. And you guys would remember this. This is the tool that we made in my last video. It's the carb sync tool. I'm going to connect the front hose to the front carburetor, and then the rear hose, or the one on the right, to the rear carburetor, and then we're ready to rumble. Now I'll just also show you where the screw is. In here, right up there, there's a screw in between the two carbs. I hope you can see it right there. If you move that to the right, it gives more air to the right carburetor, or the back carburetor, and if you move it to the left, it gives it to the left side. So there it is there, hidden. So guys, now the carb sync tool is right here, and I got the hoses going into the manifold there. This one is the back carburetor, and this one is the front carburetor, and as I told you before, the screw for it is just up here. So we're going to start her up. It's already warm, so we'll start her up and see how this thing is going. Okay, so as you can see, as you can see right there, the back one is up here, and the front carb is down here. So I need to move that screw towards the front carburetor. As you can see, it is way out of tune. So I moved it a little bit, and as you can see, as I'm moving it, this is coming down and that's going up. As you can see, it's dropping now. They're getting closer to each other. Now, as you can see, they're both about level. So that's where we want it. So my friends, you have just been buzzed with the Fuzz carb sync tool for under $10. Got it hooked up. Now the carbs are synced almost perfect. Hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment. Happy to answer any questions. Stay tuned for the next video. Adios.